Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes, babe. How are you? How you doing? You know, I've been calling your phone and you've been picking up. Are you home? I'm coming over. Yes, babe. What do you mean you're not at home? I've been calling your phone, you're not been picking. What's up? I'm almost there. You just told me that you're home. Where are you? Where would you be? Yeah, oh, yeah. Brooks from this one. Mama Kali. Just imagine. You said that you love me, but you never called my phone. You never check on me. Just imagine. You said that you miss me, but you never respond when I call you over. Oh yeah. Tell me why you want to leave me, even when I give you everything, girl. Tell me why you cheat on me, even when I give you 10 rounds. Tell me why you want to hurt me. Every time I call you say you're busy. Just let me know, no. Cause I'm happy say what you need. Just see me, akatuku